All right, so you are going to get 5 minutes to come up with your shape that is going to equal 4 square units. All right, go ahead, get started. You're manipulating, you're not writing anything right now, you're figuring out that shape. What? Stop whistling. Alright, so let's do group number one, our first group. What shape did you come up with? Why are your hands touching? We're done. You had 5 minutes. Let's go, y'all. Why? All right. Sophia's group. What do you guys have?
We made use put two big triangles together with one big square.
So hold on. You said the two big triangles together
Yes.
to make a big square.
And then we put on the sides. So on one of the sides we put two smaller triangles together to make one square. And then on the other side we made a small square.
Hold on. Be careful with this. So you're telling me that you used two big triangles, right? Everyone, stop touching, stop writing, just simply look up here. All I want you to do. So, if I take a square, actually no, if I take one triangle here, what, I need my 2 pieces. Can I borrow 2 of your triangle small ones again? All right. There we go. I get it. All right. So be careful with your shape. Because right now, we know 2 triangles equals how many squares? 1. So right now, you have 2, 4, 6, 8 triangles. If you break this all down. So 2, 4, 6, 8, well if I add these two, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So do you need to add anything else to your shape? Okay. Because you said you use 2 big triangles, right? So if you use 2 big triangles, you're done. Yes, you're done. Because I just showed you guys. But I'm letting you know your shape is not right. And the reason your shape isn't right is because essentially if you break it all the way back down to what we started with, 2 triangles equals 1 square. So this is made up by 1, 2, I can't flip things, 3, 4. That is your 4 units. All right? So one shape, you can just use 2 big triangles and get equal to 4 square units. So even if you added more to it, you didn't need to. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. Does that make sense? All right. This group right here, Charlotte's group, what'd you guys come up with?
So we put the 2 big triangles on the bottom.
You what?
So we put the 2 big triangles in one big square.
Okay.
And then we took our slanted piece, and we put that there.
Guys, I just want, you should have one shape. You shouldn't have piles upon piles upon piles. The reason I piled them up is so y'all could have a visual of why it was only 4. So if you did one big square, that's fine. That's it. That's all you need.
We use everything rearranging with our shape.
So then what shape do you, I don't need to know like all the details. What's your shape?
I don't know.
It's a square. From what I can see, it's a square and you just put shapes on top of it. Which means you have too many, guys, I don't understand how else to explain this. You need 4 square units. 4. You don't need more than 4. You don't need less than 4. You need 4 square units. I don't know what else to do. Bradley, what did you guys come up with?
So we took like all 4 like tiny squares and put like 2 at the bottom, 1 upside down in the middle, and 1 regularly at the top.
Squares or triangles?
Or triangles.
Okay.
And we kind of made like this shape, kind of put together.
Okay.
And then we put the big square on the bottom. Under it.
Triangle. So you have triangle, 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 triangle,
Yes, like that.
and then 1 big triangle.
Yes.
Perfect. All right, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, what did you guys come up with, Luke?
So we came up, you know how we did the big, like the 2-unit trapezoid earlier?
Okay.
We put one of those at the bottom, and then we did it again, but we put the other one on top of it. So we did it like the other one upside down on top of it.
Like that?
Yes.
Perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome.
All
right. Nyla, did you guys come up with something different than what's up here right now? Yes or no? No? Okay. Ava, did you guys come up with something different? I mean, it looks different. Let me see.
A right triangle, like it's
You should not be talking.
like a right
1, 2, 3, 4. You have too many on there.
square.
So you can do that. All right, so they made a giant rhombus, which has the big triangle here.
I know the
I don't know how to draw a rhombus. I do, but I don't know how to draw that. Let me look at it again. Okay. Oh, that's the worst shape I think I've ever drawn in my life. That's terrible. It's all right. You get the picture.
It looks
Um,
like Flappy Bird.
Hey, it's okay. My last group. Did you guys come up with something different? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, what you come up with?
So we took triangles, put it to the left, then we put a square in the middle and on top. It's hard to explain.
Right now, you have 1, 2, 3, and then here. They have a really cool one as well, but my drawing skills are not that good. So, the big thing though that you need to essentially realize is 2 triangles make up 1 square. Okay, 2 triangles make up 1 square. Slide over to the last section. It says, recall that the area of a square you saw earlier is 1 square. Complete each statement and explain your reasoning. So put your pencils down for a second. So you're going to answer these 3 questions and you're going to essentially put the number in. So it says the area of a small triangle is blank square units. I know this because, put your pencils down. Number 2, the area of the medium triangle is blank square units. I know this because. And the area of the large triangle is blank square units, and I know this because. All right, use the information from 5, 3, and 2 to help you answer these questions. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Go.
You guys talk.
Huh? No, this is independent. Alright, they're almost done. No, you're fine. They're almost done with this. And then this is their. You can do that, or you can just make sure that they have the correct answers right here. So just like share out with, like have one person share their answer.
those of you who are not finished, do you need 5 minutes, 3 minutes? 1 minute, okay, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Why don't we do 4 minutes? Can we do that? Who is finished? Good job. Well, and I think if we keep them there in the front office and the teacher can be in, like, one-on-one.
I appreciate it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go over this. So number one, it says the area of a small triangle is blank square units. And you know this because, well, why do we know this? Luke.
I said the area of the small triangle is 1/2 square units. I know that because 2 small triangles will make up one medium or 1 square unit.
So it takes 2 small triangles to make up 1 regular.
Yes. Do you want regular or 1 square unit?
Well, 1 regular square, because that regular square is the square unit.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, perfect. Alright, next person. The area of a medium square or triangle is blank square units. Bradley.
1.
And you know this because?
Because if you get 2 small triangles, you can fit 2 small triangles onto that that medium thing, and it's going to be equal to, and 2 triangles is equal to 1 square.
Alright, so 2 small triangles put on the medium triangle will equal 1 square. Is that what you said? Will equal
Yes.
1 square. Alright, and then the last one says the area of a large triangle is blank square units. I know this because, Charlotte,
So it is 2 square units because on number 3 there was 4 triangles and they had made 1 large triangle.
so it takes 4 small keyword, small triangles to make 1 large triangle. Perfect. Alright. Yes.
I do like, so you know how we had the small, medium, and large triangles with our things? Is it fine that I trace each of those out for each one?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so listen to this part so you know exactly what you are doing. You are going to fold your paper in half so that when you are looking at this part, you see the "Are you ready for more?" You are going to glue, everyone pay attention please, stop whatever you're doing, Jackson. You are going to glue just the bottom part where it's "Are you ready for more?" So you're putting glue just down here. And then you are going to flip it over and glue it down so that you can fold down and see the stuff we just did. Alright? Everybody got that? Alright, when you are finished, if you have not copied this down on the right side, please do so. Also, one person from your table, please put the shapes back in the bags and then put them back in that tub. Raise your hand if you do not have an iPad. So Valerie, you're the only one? Okay. So everybody else, you have an iPad. There is homework on Canvas that is due by Friday. You need to get started on it. You can hopefully you put your iPad by the end of today. Alright?
You said they might get mine by tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. Alright, you're working on your cool down. That's what I'm passing out to you right now. You need to put your first name, last name, date, period on this pink sheet of paper. We're not on iPads yet. Put your iPads. Okay? Cool down goes first. So you're doing the cool down first. First name, last name, date, period on it. It gets turned into the second period then. Do not come hand it to me and throw it in the garbage. Once you're done with that, those of you with an iPad, you're going on Canvas, you're going to modules, and you're going to Tuesday, September 13th, and you're clicking on the Canvas scavenger hunt. That is your homework. That is due by Friday. Okay? But not right now. Sandra, down with it, cool down. All right, so no talk.